Adapter installation and how to use them. The first question to ask is, do I need an adapter? Some oil pans have a recession around the oil drain port. Recessions can prevent a valve from being installed. An adapter can be used to extend the valve body away from the recession. Adapters will push valves away from the oil pan so that they are able to be installed. Most adapters are ½ inch in length, some are even longer. To avoid the adapter and valve from sticking out too far, choose the adapter that is as short as possible. SX valves. SX valves can be installed without an adapter. The SX series can be installed without rotating the body of the valve. This allows you to choose any position that you would like. In some cases, the recession is deep and severe. If the SX valve can only be installed pointing down, it is not safe if the vehicle also has low ground clearance. In these cases, use an adapter to push the valve away from the oil pan, and change the position so that it does not point down. Thank you for learning about adapters and SX series valves with us.